Temperature of 68 at Hickory, 70 at Shelby, and 68 at Statesville. In South Carolina, at Greenwood, it was sunny, with a temperature of 73. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 79 at Columbia, and 81 at Charleston. At Greenville-Spartanburg, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 72. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Rock Hill Airport, it was 75 degrees and partly sunny. In Charlotte, it was 77 degrees and partly sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Today, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Light and variable winds, becoming southeast around 5 miles an hour this afternoon. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver and good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for wireless watchers and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Greene, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Today, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Light and variable winds, becoming southeast around 5 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Lows in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows